The iPhone 16 Pro models are the premium devices in Apple's iPhone lineup, known for being the first to introduce new designs and features. With the official unveiling set for tomorrow, everyone is excited about the anticipated updates in the iPhone 16 Pro series. Additionally, a last-minute leak has revealed a major advancement in Apple's processor technology, which we will dive into later in the video. This development could mark a significant step forward for the iPhone 16 series, offering improved performance and capabilities that fans have been eagerly awaiting. Here is everything we know about the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature larger displays, with the Pro increasing to 6.3 inches from the previous 6.1 inches, and the Pro Max going from 6.7 to 6.9 inches. While the overall design will stay similar to its predecessors, the new phones will have slightly bigger bodies and thinner bezels. A key new addition is a dedicated capture button designed for enhanced photography and video capabilities. It functions similarly to a DSLR camera button, offering precise control over autofocus and allowing users to zoom by swiping on the button. Apple will also introduce the new A18 Pro chip in these models, which is expected to boost performance and energy efficiency. Both models will now come with 8 gigs of RAM, a requirement for running Apple's advanced intelligence features. Storage options are likely to start at 256 gigs and go up to 1 terabyte. The A18 Pro chip will also support new AI-driven capabilities, making tasks like photo editing and language processing faster and more efficient. Camera improvements are one of the major highlights of these new models. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will feature a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera with enhanced optical zoom and the ability to record 4K video at 120 frames per second. These upgrades will significantly improve low-light performance and image clarity. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to include the 5x periscope zoom currently in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max will likely feature even bigger camera upgrades. Apple is also using a new glass technology for its lenses, designed to reduce flares when taking photos or shooting videos. In terms of color, Apple will offer the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max in black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and a new desert titanium, which will replace last year's blue titanium. Battery life is set to improve as well. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will have a larger 4,676 mAh battery, while the iPhone 16 Pro is expected to come with a 3,355 mAh battery, a slight upgrade from its predecessor. Both models will likely benefit from better thermal management. Apple Intelligence will also play a crucial role in battery management, which will result in long-lasting battery life. The new iPhones will ship with iOS 18 out of the box, offering the latest software enhancements and features. As for the prices, according to recent price leaks from Apple Hub, the leaked prices are as follows. iPhone 16 will be priced at $799 or 66,300 rupees approx. iPhone 16 Plus will be priced at $899 or 74,600 rupees approx. iPhone 16 Pro will be priced at $1,099 or 91,200 rupees approx, and iPhone 16 Pro Max will be priced at $1,199 or 99,500 rupees approx. These prices may not appear drastically different from last year's iPhone 15 series. However, in countries like India, the starting price tends to be higher, closer to 80,000 rupees, and the price for iPhone Pro Max may go up to 1,40,000. This is due to the way Apple adjusts its pricing to account for local taxes and duties. Pre-orders for the iPhone 16 series are expected to start on the launch day, with sales likely beginning around September 19th or 20th. Many companies in the AI space are adding a premium for new features without directly charging for the services. For those interested in watching Apple's It's Glow Time event, it will be held on Monday, September 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m., Eastern Time, 6 p.m., British Summer Time, and 3 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. The event will be streamed live on Apple's website, YouTube, and through the Apple TV app. A report from Mac Rumors also suggests that Apple could be using micro-lens technology to improve brightness and reduce power consumption on the iPhone 16. The company is also said to be using a border reduction structure technology to reduce bezels on the iPhone 16 models. The most anticipated feature of the iPhone 16 series is the introduction of Apple Intelligence, which brings AI-driven capabilities to the device. Announced at the WWDC 2024, these features include a more advanced Siri, AI tools for working with PDFs, notes, and messages, and automatic summarizations. Furthermore, the last-minute leak reveals a big leap forward for Apple in terms of power and efficiency. The company is gearing up to introduce the iPhone 16 with the A18 chip, built on ARM's V9 architecture, which promises significant performance improvements and advanced AI capabilities. These new AI-driven features include a smarter version of Siri and the ability to generate custom emojis. The iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem for faster 5G connectivity, replacing the X70 modem used in the iPhone 15 series. This upgrade could result in quicker loading and downloading speeds. Additionally, the Pro models might include Wi-Fi 7, offering improved speed, lower latency, and enhanced connectivity. Charging capabilities may also see a boost with the iPhone 16 series. Instead of the current 27 watts of peak charging speed, the new models might support 40-watt wired fast charging and 20-watt MagSafe charging, enhancing the overall charging experience. Apple's commitment to ARM's V9 architecture started earlier this year with the M4 MacBook chips. The company highlighted the M4 as a major leap forward in performance, a benefit expected to carry over to the iPhone 16 through its A18 Bionic chipset. According to a report from the Financial Times, Apple collaborated with SoftBank-owned ARM to integrate their V9 chip design. In September 2023, Apple signed a long-term deal with ARM, securing their partnership until beyond 2040, which ensures that future iPhones will continue to push the boundaries of mobile technology. Users can expect faster performance, improved multitasking, and a range of new AI-driven capabilities. While the V9 architecture is not new to Apple, it was first used in the M4 Silicon, which debuted in the iPad Pro in May. Upcoming Mac models are also expected to adopt this technology. The iPhone 16, however, is getting early access to this powerful chip, and if the iPad Pro's performance is any indication, the A18 chip could be a major boost for the iPhone. For those unfamiliar with the technology, ARM's V9 provides the foundational instructions that power the A18 chip's design. With its powerful hardware, enhanced AI features, and premium design, the iPhone 16 Pro series is poised to make a strong impact in the market, appealing to users who seek cutting-edge technology and top-tier performance. Here's everything we know about the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. The design of the standard iPhone models has remained mostly unchanged since the iPhone 11, aside from the introduction of Dynamic Island. The iPhone 16 lineup will have a similar look, but there will be a few adjustments. Leaked images of dummies show that the camera module will be more compact, with the two lenses aligned vertically. The LED flash will move from the camera island to the back of the phone. These dummies also hint at new colors, which are expected to be more vibrant compared to the Pro versions, which usually feature lighter shades. The side view reveals the new action and capture buttons. The action button will be customizable, while the capture button is meant for taking photos, replacing the alert slider. The capture button may be a touch-sensitive trackpad, possibly supporting swipe gestures for zoom control. The iPhone 16 will come with a 6.1-inch display, and the iPhone 16 Plus will have a larger 6.7-inch screen, the same size as last year's models. The only noticeable change in these displays will be thinner bezels, which will make both models slightly more compact. All four iPhone models will continue to feature the Dynamic Island cutout in the display, and this isn't expected to change for the standard models in the near future. However, the Pro models could move some components under the display next year. Both the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will still run at 60 Hz, although this may change in the 2025 models. By the way, what are your thoughts on 60 Hz refresh? Do you think Apple should give at least 90 Hz or 120 Hz in base models? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Furthermore, while Apple Intelligence will be delayed, it will eventually be available on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus are expected to have 8 gigs of RAM, but it's unclear if Apple will increase this next year. I think Apple might keep the same configuration even in 2025. Even though the non-Pro models may have fewer GPU cores, this won't affect AI performance. Plus, their 60 Hz displays don't require as much GPU power. As for the cameras, the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will have 2 cameras placed vertically. The main camera will likely be the same 48-megapixel sensor used in the iPhone 15 series, which was a significant upgrade from the 12-megapixel sensors in older models. The ultra-wide camera is expected to have an improved f2.2 aperture for better low-light performance and autofocus for macro shots. There are rumors of additional changes, such as support for JPEG XL in the camera app as an alternative to HEIC type. The new capture button could also enhance camera usability. So what do you think about these exciting new developments? Are you excited about the launch? Which model are you planning to buy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, I will see you in the next video.